Hello, dear students. Today we will read a new chapter Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. Dear students, this chapter, this story is belong uh, to the state of West Bengal. West Bengal is a part in our country, is a state in our country. Hilsa fish is mostly found in the river Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra river, which is passes through Cooch Behar district in West Bengal. Hilsa fish is very delicious to eat, and its local name is Ilis fish in West Bengal and Assam. Gopal and the Hilsa fish. This story is given in a picture form, in a comic book. Have you ever read a comic book? A comic book contains stories told mainly through pictures. Dear students, after reading this picture story, we will come to know that it was the season of Hilsa fish. Everyone was talking about it only. Each time and everywhere, each person only talk about Hilsa fish. Even the king's courtiers talked about Hilsa fish. The king was tired of listening about it. The king was fed up with this topic. So he wanted no more talk about Hilsa fish. Gopal was a clever man in his palace, but he was also unable to stop people not talking about Hilsa fish. Gopal said that he can do. The king asked Gopal to prove his cleverness. He asked him to buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking him a word about it. Gopal accepted the challenge. A few days later, he decided to buy a hilsa, but before doing so, he did three things. First, he half shaved his face, smeared himself with ash, and put on torn cloths. Most people, including his wife, thought that he had gone mad. Then Gopal bought the Hilsa fish and moved towards the palace. When Gopal reached the court, the gentleman didn't let him go in. At this time, Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. The king was in the court. Someone ordered his servants to throw out the noisy man at once. Gopal, however, kept on saying loudly that he wanted to see the king. At last the king asked his servants to bring that man to him at once. Thus Gopal got inside the palace to see the king with the Hilsa fish. The king asked Gopal why he had come in that dress, in that appearance. Gopal reminded the king of his challenge. He added that no one seemed to be interested in the Hilsa fish that day. While he was dancing and singing before the palace, no one were talking about a Hilsa fish. Each and everyone only looked to Gopal. Not a word was spoken about it. The king congratulated Gopal on having a sharp mind. No one talked of Hilsa fish that day because the man carrying the fish seemed more important. Thus, Gopal proved his cleverness before the king. So, now your chapter is over. Thank you.